April 14th, 2018. It's about 6:30 p.m. Checking the total snowfall accumulation. Looks like it's hard to get a good average here, but I'm going to say we're approaching the 1 foot mark, at least on the driveway here. There is a lot of drifting, so some of these drifts are going to be substantially higher. This is about, wouldn't expect a lot of drifting in the middle of the driveway here, so I'm going to go ahead and say this is pretty accurate. So looks like we're at about 11.5 inches. This was closer to 12. Okay. So I'll say 11.75 inches for that side of the driveway. This is actually more than a foot. Okay. Oh, I hope I can find my way back to the house. Oh, I'm joking. It's actually quite difficult to walk through this stuff without snowshoes. It's compact and a little bit trippy. Again, 24 hours ago, there was no snow on that car or in this particular driveway. So it's pretty surprising for April 14th to see this much snow. We might actually set the record here. It's, I believe, a little over 13 inches for the record.